right, so we just started the recording. Sorry, don't mind my lighting isn't better. So we just have to manage it like this since the one I ordered hasn't come yet. So what is it called? This is another episode from the backtesting session that I said I would be doing before now. And this is another video, another session. So I think this time around we have to go with another pair just to see how it aligns with us. You understand? So after that particular video, I actually backtested Euro JPYs. I actually backtested Euro JPY, and then uh, I have to find out some certain things that happens during Euro JPY, such as some of them are most of the pairs. If I say most of the pair, most of the big move that happen on Euro JPY, they play out during the Asian time because it is an Asian pair. That is why you get to see most of these big move news and big dump, big pump are being pushed during the Asian time because JPY is an Asian pair. Are you with me? So this time around we are going with a new pair. Oh God, see, do I find? I'll be glad to find. So we are going with a new pair this time around, and let's see how far we can push it. So now we will pick a pair session. YouTube. Let me just name it as YouTube. Okay. YouTube balance. I don't use that. So should we pick Euro USD, GBP, JPY? Is there any other pair? Oh, they are much here. They are much here. Oh, they are much even crypto. So I think we should just go with Euro USD since it is broadly known and everybody can follow along with Euro USD. Now, another thing I also want to make you people know is that this pair you can see here, this particular pair you can see, or this particular backtesting is not like forward testing or trading the live market. You know, this is backtesting. Sometimes when you are forward testing, you have time to think and probably be in a situation whereby you can think. But for this backtesting now, you don't even look at news, you don't look at what is going on in the economy, and you just do stuff and just like that, just to forward, you just want to backtest, you are just forwarding the chat just to know how it plays out. That is how most of this thing is. No emotion attached, nothing. And those my reaction you see are just like basically for fun and just to make you guys laugh. You understand me, right? So I'm picking Euro USD now, and as you can see from the screen, rather, you can see from the screen we have earliest date. This one, earliest date at May 4th, 2003. So if we should pick a date and the year, 2025. So we are backtesting from May 2025 to this very day. So it's just like in 1 year data. So since we are picking May of 2025, we will pick today date is 7th, that'll be 8. So we'll pick 8. No, okay, let me just pick 9. The reason I'm picking 9 is that I don't want the year, because once it is 1 year, they will have to charge me to pay because it is free. So once I go above 1 year, I'll have to pay money. So I don't want to go above 1 year. I'll be picking on Friday. So I'll look at what happened on Friday. Then on Sunday, on Monday, which is a new week, we start the backtesting. You understand? So I'm still backtesting my previous previous my strategy, not previous. I'm still practicing my strategy. Then after this session, after this episode, or after this edition, I'll start refining it, trying to make it look very okay and try to fix in some certain things. You understand? So this video is just basically to teach you guys how to backtest in an easy way. You understand? While you learn, you can still learn my strategy from it. But there is more to it. You can't just learn everything just from this what's it called? Just from this session. Are you with me? So session, I think this should be optional. I don't know. Don't know. Okay. That's safe. So we have it here. This is YouTube, $1,000. So let's go. Let's see if it will open. If it open, we start opening the chat and then we'll move on. You understand? So it's going to be a long video. It's going to be a long video. So I will just advise you from your end, you can put it on S2. You can put the speed on X2 or 1.5 just to speed and shorten the time so that it will not be like a waste of time for you. All right. So let's quickly dive into the chat and let's see what the chat has for us. Sorry. Okay. So let's sorry about that. Think should be this one. I like to add all this stuff to my favorite. Do you know why? Because it's gave me the flexibility to to backtest. You understand me? So reduce that. We've done that now. Take this one to 3. Then this one to 15 minutes. And 15 minutes candle before it drop. Then we will edit the chart. We edit the chart and that is up with that. Then we start the shit. Lag. Do you like the chart like this? Do you like the chart like this? I think I should reduce this one. Should use 7979. F9 I mean F9. F9. Okay, that should reduce it a little bit. So I hope this help. So we have Euro USD on the chart. So let's proceed. This is March 2025. Starting from the weekly, daily, 4 hours, and then 1 hour. These are just the time frame I use for analyzing the charts. All right, so let's quickly go into why we are here. Let me go to the daily time frame. Okay, I think this should be on Monday now. Oh, on Friday. Let's see how it's close. Then from the new week, we'll just start the analysis. Are you with me? Okay, just enter the new week now. Just enter the new week. So let's see how the week ended and how the week is currently going. Wow.
This is what we got on the weekly
This is
time
what we
frame.
got on the weekly time frame.
Is the weekly
Is the weekly currently rejecting any weekly key level?
Yes.
Yes. Weekly is rejecting weekly key level. Let me save this chat.
So weekly is
rejecting weekly.
then
Weekly will be our target, right? So weekly price is driving from week to week. That's from liquidity point to liquidity point. All right.
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
So price is driving like that, and since we got something like this, we've gotten our buyers, and the upcoming week, we are anticipating for price to give us a pullback to this level upcoming week. Then we have a what? A drop to this level. Or rather, price drop down here and we have a push to this what? To this level. Now this is a pure what? A pure outlook. Now, in this scenario, I will have to go to the lower time frame, the daily time frame, to look for obstacle. So from here, we've already gotten an obstacle from here. So let's see how on Monday close. Let's see how Monday close. On Monday will tell us what we won't be looking for on Tuesday. Okay. I think there was a news on Monday. What time is that? 6 o'clock. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. So I will start trading. I will start trading on Tuesday. This is on Monday. So I will date on Monday candle to close. Then I will decide what to do. We have this level right here. Okay. Tuesday has closed now. Let's see what happened on Tuesday. So now the daily is bearish. Can't tell you the bearish to lines to the phone. Can't tell. You can see the support tone resistance level right here that started the bearish story line. And I think we also have, I don't want to complicate things. Let me just leave it. So let's see how it's drive. Let's see how it's drive. Better setup. During that Asian time, so we've entered on Wednesday. We entered Wednesday. So let's see. Now from the weekly, we've gotten an obstacle rather. We've gotten what? An obstacle. Okay, so let's see what happened within this level. Are you with me? Let's see what happened within that level. From that level, okay. This is on Wednesday. Okay, let's see if candle close above it. If you test it, candle has closed above it. There's an obstacle. Let's see something. Still, okay, 4 hours has closed. Ash, no confirmation. No confirmation. What time is this? Ah, shit. We've already entered Asian time. Although that is 2 p.m., but it's already far gone. Waiting for price to do something like this. Waiting for price to do something like this. Now, the reason why I'm looking for the sell is this. Price broke above the support level, support to resistance level. Price broke above it. Now, price is rejecting this key level. But what? Did not give us a breakout to the downside. If you check the 1 hour, if there's no breakout, so I'm anticipating for price to come to this level and then we'll buy. Are you with me? So I don't know if it will work, but let's just see how it goes. Okay, let's see how it goes. Oh shit, SL. Stop loss it. Okay. One stop loss it. Alright. We've entered Asian time now. Six o'clock. Let's see what the daily gave us. Okay. The daily rejected this key level, or rather this key level. Daily rejected that key level. 4 hours gave us a breakout. Can we see this breakout? 4 hours did what? Gave us a breakout. Now that means we are also do what? Look for the sell. Now where are we going to look for the sell from? Today, the thing not just in my mood to do, but don't worry, we'll still do it. We'll still run it. So where are we looking for the sell from this what? Key level. So if I am to look for the sell, I can just do something like this. Put the stop loss above it and then maybe target this obstacle right here, which should give me 1 to 5 on the 4-hour time frame. To not be a swing trade, this is just 6 o'clock in the morning. So let's see how the whole day run. So we can see the drop from there. Can you see it? You see the way I'm doing it. We don't trade during the Asian time. We're just following the rules just like it's as it is. Once the daily close, we check what's happening on the daily time frame. Once the weekly close, we check what's happening on the weekly time frame. That is just it. So as at this point, we could lock our trade. We could put trade. We could move trade to stop loss, or we could move stop loss to entry, or just 50%, just like that. But anyone that suits me as at that time, right? So let's see how it goes. Mm-hmm. 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 So this right here is about 1 to 2 already. Takes a lot of time. That is like 6 o'clock. That they don't close me that. This is the reason why I don't like swing trade. Yeah. This is the reason why I don't like it. Well, I just can't. I'm used to it. I'm used to it. But most time when I get into a 4-hour trade, the trade most times, sometimes the trade will play out before the day runs out. The trade will play out very, very fast. Sometimes very, very fast. It's not about news or something. Very, very fast. You understand? So did they already give us this? Let's see how it end. Let's see how the day end. Let's see how the day end. 22 o'clock. That is like 10 o'clock. So let's see how the day end. Okay, the day has already ended. Let's go to the daily time frame. It has not ended. Okay, it has ended now. So if you look at this now, we are still bearish. The daily is bearish. The daily is bearish. Daily is bearish, but the daily has created what? An obstacle for us, which is this level. Can you see that? The daily has done what? Created an obstacle for us, which is that level. For price to drop, price can react to this level and use it to break, use it to give us our Excel, or probably just drop to the downside. You understand? So we just pay attention to it. So let's see. Waiting for Asian time to close, then we'll decide what to do. Okay, even before that, I think daily rejected daily. Let's go to the line chart. You can see we have a key level from here, and then price rejected it in drop. Can you see that red candle rejected it? And what happened? 4 hours rejected 4 hours, because this is on the 4 hour time frame. So we can say 4 hours rejected 4 hours, and then what happened? We have this breakout. So we can say we are using here for second entry. This is what time? 2 o'clock. 4 hours also started the bullish storyline from here. 4 hours also started the bullish storyline from here. Shit. But I'm still standing on the daily storyline, which says we are bearish. So London time, we are currently on Asian time now, so London time can use that level to drop. But let's just see what happened. Let's see how Asian time play. Okay. We are now in London session now. Okay. Can you see that? Can you see that? Just like I said, price did what? Take out Asian high. This is our Asian high, 2 o'clock. Can you see it? Look at the bottom side. It says 2 o'clock. So price take out Asian high. Price take out Asian high and did what? Did the mitigation. Then what happened? We have the drop. The daily still says we are what? Bearish. So we are holding this trade now for about 2 days now, correct? So this is like 1 to 3 now. So we are still what? Holding. Let's just see how everything unfold. Okay, so price already did 1 to 4 from here, almost 1 to 5. So we can start taking profit. Are you with me? So what time is this? This is what time is this? 18 o'clock. We don't enter another session. This shit can be so annoying, bro. Can be so annoying, man. Can be so annoying, honestly. So this is a new day. I didn't even check the daily time frame to see what happened on the day. This is a new day. This is a new day. What am I expecting on the new day? Let me just clear the whole chart as to see what's going to happen. Let me just clear the whole chart. Clear the whole chart now. Daily time frame. What day is this? On Monday. Wow. Monday. So now we are in a new week, which is on Monday. And so since we are in a new week, we have to look at what is happening on the new week. We have this OCL. So we are anticipating for price to drive to that OCL. Then we follow price movement. Are you with me? So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Meanwhile, the daily is still bearish, correct? So let's see. If price broke it throughout the whole day, then we can do something like support and resistance. But this time around, there will be a better level. Remember, I don't trade on Monday. There will be a better level to look for the buy. Then we'll target that obstacle right there. Okay. Monday, on Tuesday has come. Tuesday has come. Sorry. This is on Tuesday. And during the weekly time frame, price has taken out this high. Price has taken out this high. Is it rejecting any key level from the lower time frame? From here. Let's see if we have this key level from here. Price should react from one. At least price should react from one. So for me, I'm going to say, why is this chart not even clear? That is another major problem now. So price broke above this. There's no confirmation after rejecting. There's no confirmation after rejecting this high. So we are looking for the what? For the buy. Because why? Price broke a resistant level, broke a resistant level, broke a resistant level. So we are looking for the what? For the buy. So this is on the daily time frame. Wow. So we can do something like this. This is better. So we can do something like this, and price reacts from here, then we'll buy. Target this level. So can we now look at what price we do? For on Tuesday, time. Price might what? Buy from there. Price might buy from there. I knew it. You know why price is buying from there? Remember, I told you guys that we have a support resistance level from there. So price broke it, test the resistance, and then that's why we are buying. Something like this. Remember, it is something like this. Price broke the resistance level, tested it, and then that's why we are buying. Remember, for this one, we can go to the lower time frame. Oh, we can see price has already done it already. Shit. So I was anticipating for price to come to this. I think this one would have been better. This is where I was anticipating for the what's it called? Extreme. The extreme level. That is where I was anticipating price to come to. This one would have given me something nice. You understand? 1 to 5 as well from the same 4-hour time frame. I missed it. But no problem. Let me just see how it close. Okay, already Asian time. So boring. But wait, we have weekly 4 hours. We have weekly 4 hours now. 4 hours, 1 hour. Let's see how it goes. Asian time, 10 o'clock. Nigerian time, 2 o'clock Nigerian time. Wait our target. Now let's observe how price reacted to this level. How price reacts to this level and this one. Because this is our obstacle. All right. Let's see how price reacts to it. For me, I think price will dump from there, but I don't really actually has a better plan for it. Something like this. But you know, we trade with confirmations. So we have to wait for that day to close. Let me see what the weekly is doing. For the weekly, price is rejecting here, and this is on Wednesday. So let's see. Just want to see how price reacts. This is 8 o'clock Wednesday. Okay. If we have a break, shit, don't close. So the daily is still what's bullish. Now we can look for continuation from here or the OCL below or this OCL. Those are the levels where we can look for what? Continuations. Are you with me? So let's see. 4 hours should have started the bearish storyline already. Okay, yes, 4 hours has started the bearish storyline already from here. 4 hours reject 4 hours. 1 hour give us a breakout. We have this breakout. We have this one. Price rejecting here. Get a sell to this level. Then we buy. So what time is this? 6 o'clock. So we just enter the 6 o'clock. Let's see how it close. Can you see it? Can you see how I just map it for you guys? Can you see that? Very, very easy, yeah? Can you see that? Very, very easy. You see? Just map it for you guys, yeah? Price rejecting here, we have to drop to this level. Price just nabbed this level and started buying, but we have to wait for better premium confirmation. So let's wait for the 6 o'clock candle to close, which is the 4 hour candle. Okay. Why it close like this, man? Okay. We have this associate here. What we have to look is, shit. This is the level where price is coming to. That's the level where price is coming to. What time is this? 10 o'clock. Okay. Help this level. Shit. Price is coming from here. There's no key level now, not from here. Oh, I see. This is where price used. Shit. Oh, sorry. I mean this present candle, right? I'm looking for where this candle rejected, not this previous red candle. Okay, sorry, it rejected here. That is why I said, this is one of the reasons why I said, if you are backtesting or if you are backtesting, you will have enough time to think. If it were to be live market, you will have enough time to think. You have enough time to calculate. You have enough time. That is one of the reasons why I don't go to the lower time frame, because once there is no time for me to calculate, for me to think that, this thing is going to work out way, this thing is going to play out way. I don't like stressing myself. I've seen a lot of opportunity. Why I should follow this sell? Should I explain something to you now? Okay, now let me explain something to you now. Now, firstly, daily is currently this push right here is currently sponsored by this key level, right? Now, why did I move this key level from here to this level? Let me show you why. Even this one self will not hold. This one will not hold because why? Daily is currently forming a key level, a storyline. So if daily is selling, we are to target what? Daily, which is this level. Now let me switch to light chart so that you see. Can you see that now? So we are targeting what? This level. That is where we are targeting. Now going back to the candlestick. Now see, price is falling. This key level is sponsoring the fall. Now we have 4 hours started the bearish what? The bearish storyline. Can you see that? Now, since the 4 hours started the bearish storyline, what are we looking at for? We need to look for continuations and so on and so forth. So now for this first continuation, where is the key level? That's where price reacted. Now price is dropping from that. What is it called? Price is dropping. Let's even assume that we missed this sell. Let's assume that we missed this sell. Correct? Let's assume that we missed this sell. Since we missed that sell and price is already dropping, that means there will be another continuation from the lower time frame before price will dump. Now, where is the continuation now? That is where this level comes in. Are you getting what I am saying? That is where that level comes in. You see how I was able to refine everything from the daily time frame down to this level. You see, now if I should do something like that, then probably I will get to this level. I will get to this level. I will get to this level. Do you know why I will take that? Do you know the only reason why I will take that level? The only reason why I will take this level, because it's not every OCL that I take. The reason why I will take this key level is if price from within this zone, within this week right here, within that week right there, if price form a zone, just like we have this zone right here, if price form a zone, then I'll pick from this zone. I'll pick the key level from that zone. That is the only reason why it would take sense. So let's go to the lower time frame to see if price actually form a zone, which is the 15-minute time frame. Can you see? Price did what? Form a zone. Where is the zone? This one. What happened right here? Price mitigated it, and what do we have? A dump. So this one can give us a snipe. Can you see? We can have something like this. We can have something like this. Anyone depends. Depends. And we are still good to go. Can you see? Can you see that? So please, if you're able to watch this video to this very, very extent, right? I would like you to subscribe and comment, like, because it helps the algorithm to suggest my video to everybody. Don't be greedy. Let others learn as well. So you can just say anything. You can just say something random. That's fine. You understand? So this is basically how you do it. And you see the way I broke it down, and I was still able to arrive at this point. Can you see that? That is how it is. That is how it is. Now let's check what time is this. This is 18 o'clock. So. Oh boy. To do this video no easy. This video no easy at all. My light is going my light is going dim. So let's just finish it up. Let's just finish it up. Let's just finish it up. We are anticipating for price to drop to this level. What is the weekly target? The weekly says if we reject this key level, then we are targeting. Oh yeah. So daily reject here. If daily close below this key level, if daily close below that key level, then we have the dump. Then we have to target. Yeah. Because why? That is what? A daily key level as well. So if daily started the bearish storyline, we end at the daily bearish storyline, at the daily key level. Are you with me? So let me remove that.
So
let's wait until the day close. Then we'll say daily reject daily. If hours give us what a breakout. So let's check. Okay. Daily reject daily. Let me show you. Daily reject daily. 4 hours gave us what? A breakout, which we have right here. 4 hours did what? Gave us a breakout. 4 hours is rejecting here. Do we have a breakout on the 4 hour time frame? No. Do we have a breakout? No, we don't have a breakout on the 4 hour time frame. Very good. We don't have a breakout. Very good. We don't have a breakout. 4 hours is rejecting 4 hours, but we don't have a breakout on this time frame. So we're going to remove this one. We are still what? Bearish on the what? Daily time frame. So we are looking for the sell. So one of the best places to look for the sell is here. Yeah. And here. This is one of the best places to look for the sell. But since we already have this, I will refine it to this. So previous day high already taken out. So like I said, let's check if price has a key level, a zone within this week. So from there we can confirm, okay, it has, which is right here. Can you see that? Now we can now do something like this. Yeah, we cannot do something like that. That's if price really wants to drop. But if we have a break, if price broke here, then we are moving down here. So let's see. Okay. See, price has broken it. No confirmation, but there is no entry. Can you see that? No confirmation, no entry. So I think price is moving right here, right there. Now see, mind you, this is our Asian time, so we don't over trade this time. I wanted to show you guys something. Okay, I thought price mitigated here to push to the upside. Price didn't mitigate that. So let's see what happened during the what day is this? On Friday. Really? So the whole of the week, the trade we just took from this whole place right here is not even more than 2 or 3. But that's not bad. 1 to 5, 1 to 5. That's about 1 to 10 already. Okay. New week. New week. So we can just do something like this. We are looking for the set the whole of the day. So it must happen. It's a must that it must happen. Where are we targeting? Previous day where? Previous day low. It's a must that it must happen. It's a must that it must happen. Do something like this rather. It must happen. It must play out. So forget about those. If it doesn't play out, that means if it doesn't play out, that means price has changed. What's it called? Price has changed direction now, isn't it? Price has changed direction. So price has done what? Change direction. You see how price first of all reacted to it before it pushed to the upper side again. So what time is this? Daily time frame. We had a push to the upper side. 4 hours close above this level. So we have like a support and resistance. Let's see if the price will give us. Oh, price already rejecting that one. More blessed time don't go far. What is that? What just happened? I'm confused. I don't even know what's going on. Don't know what's going on, man. You see how price still respected here. I guess it was in news. This is just 10 o'clock. What happened? Price spike up, came down on the 4-hour time frame. What? Came down this level, rejected here, rejected here, still rejected here again. This is what time? 18 o'clock. Ah, shit. If not, I would have just said price. We come here and do something like this. What time frame is this? The week has closed, I guess. Okay, the week will close. This is on Friday. So let's see. What day is this? On Friday? Oh, on Monday now. It's on Monday. Okay. Now we are on Monday. So Monday, we're looking for price to reverse, then we'll buy. I don't like back testing. I'm going to tell you the honest truth. I don't like back testing. It doesn't give me that the kind of confidence it gives. It's just a fake confidence. It's just a fake confidence. I don't know. I don't know if you get me. Just a fake confidence. That confidence you really need it from forward testing. You understand a lot of things. This one I'm just doing is just I already know what I want to do. I don't even know when there is news. I'm just pressing the forward, then to start playing and so on. Not even can't even take time to. Not like it, bro. This is on Monday. We don't trade on Monday, so let's see what happens. Okay, first of all, we have to start from the weekly. I forgot. We have to start from the weekly. Sorry about that. Weekly. Let's come here. Just have less than 10 minutes and then I will end it. Okay. Hash. I anticipate for price to come here. From the daily time frame, I'm anticipating for price to come there. So the daily time frame will start an obstacle from there. Then if we have a push to the downside, then I'll start riding with the wave down to that level. So let's see if we have a price didn't reject it. I was thinking price will reject an obstacle from here, and then that's where this drop will start coming from, and then I will start looking for this sell, targeting these levels. Shit. But let's see though, price can actually do something like this before jumping. No one can tell. So let's see. See, you see, that's what I would have just done. You understand? But price is not giving. But price is coming here though. So I'll just refine this whole zone. I will refine it now. And then from there, I'll get what shit. I will refine it. I will do something like this. So this is the last trade. If it comes in TP, SL, anyone, now it will do me. So let's see how it goes. 10 o'clock. SL. Oh, another day. We don't enter new deal. The question is, are you going to hold during the Asian time? SL, are you going to hold during the Asian time? Oh. Okay, what time is this? Let's see if we can do something. Asian time during this also. but there's no level from there. Daily is bearish. If daily is bearish, price take out inducement. We have a sell from here. Target this level. What time is this? 10 o'clock. Price will buy you. Just watch. See. You can't go miss her. Why did you miss that level now? Why? Why did price now miss this level? It will use it another time. But that time person might don't come out. Why did you not miss this level? What happened if you do something like this? This is what I was anticipating for you to do. You see? This is what I was anticipating for price to do. So it will give me like a nice snipe. Can you see? That is how it is. This is just how it is. The reason why I was not looking for the sell from there is because I went back to the daily time frame. I saw that we still have a key level from here. I went back to the 5-hour time frame. I saw that 5-hour time frame. I started the bearish storyline where we have this storyline, where we have this storyline. So I was looking for price to continue the storyline from this level. So that was why I was looking for the sell from that level. You understand? So just to continue the move, and I will start getting the daily obstacle. But you see, that brings us back to our listening. If I have a better time and enough space for me to analyze everything, that we do it perfectly and you guys will watch it. You see how I was able to break it, swing trade, break everything down, and everybody was enjoying that stuff. So this is what you get to learn. This is how everything plays out. This is how everything is. You understand? So comment if you love these sessions and like and subscribe. I appreciate you. Peace out.